Look, most teens are wasting their time on garbage money-making methods, but I found a way you can use to build a six-figure business even before turning 18. And it's not what you think. I'm not here to sugarcoat anything or to waste your time. I see so many teens hustling their faces off for pennies online, and it breaks my heart. You're filling out those stupid surveys for $5 an hour. Nope, you're trying to dropship products no one wants. You're promoting affiliate links that pay $2 per sale. Stop it, just stop. Now, I want to issue a quick warning. I'm not going to share with you a get-rich-quick scheme. I am against those. I'm all for building a real business that will allow you to be financially free. But in full transparency, most people do not have what it takes. Most people quit. You can't expect to reach the top 1% and to make more money than everybody else if you're not willing to go above and beyond, to go the extra mile. Now, with that being said, the fastest way to make serious money online in 2025 isn't by working harder, it's by working smarter. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. And by the way, this comes from a guy who's been able to make over $2,000 a day, most of it being profit that goes in my pocket. Let me ask you a question. How much money do you actually want to make? A few $100 a month? A few thousands? Because the methods most teens are using online, they will never get you there. Not even close. And the reason for that is simple. Most teens are focusing on low-value activities. They're trading their precious time for tiny amounts of money. And time is the one thing you can never get back. Think about it. When you're doing surveys for pocket change, you're essentially working for way less than minimum wage. When you're dropshipping products from China with razor-thin margins, you're working your face off for pennies on the dollar. And when you're promoting cheap products as an affiliate, you need hundreds of sales to make any real money. The secret is high-ticket digital products and services. Let me break this down for you so it's super simple. Would you rather sell one thing for $1,000 or 100 things for $10 each? Both get you $1,000, but one takes way less work. That is high-ticket selling. And when it's digital products, you don't have to deal with shipping, inventory sitting in your mom and dad's garage, and there are no product costs. Just pure profit going straight in your pocket. I'll say that again because it's so important. Digital products equal pure profit. You create it once and you can sell it unlimited times. Here is why this works so well. People will happily pay premium prices for solutions that save them time, money, or effort. The more painful their problem, the more they will pay to solve it. Think about it. If someone has a problem that's costing them money or causing them stress, they won't pay good money to make that problem go away. And in 2025, people have more problems than ever that need to be solved. Now, unfortunately, we're not allowed to share everything on YouTube, which is why I've recorded a free video to show you how I made over $1,000 a day in profit from my laptop. And right now, we're also offering a few free consultation calls with me or my team to help you come up with a game plan to reach financial freedom in 90 days or less using the PTP method. Now, I highly suggest you click the link in the description below when you're done watching this video. But be quick, because spots fill up extremely fast and soon we'll be forced to take the video down. Let me give you some examples of what I'm talking about. Online coaching, helping people to get fit, to grow their business or to blow up on social media or plenty of other things. You can sell premium courses, teaching skills like video editing, coding or marketing, done for you services, doing the work for people who don't have time, like editing videos or building websites, running ads. These can all sell for anywhere from $500 to $2,000, sometimes way more than that. And you only need a few sales a month to make serious cash. Let's do the math real quick. If you sell a $2,000 coaching program and you just get 3 clients a month, that's $3,000. That's more than most adults makes at their regular jobs. And that is with just 3 sales. Imagine making 10 sales a month. That's at least $10,000, and what's more as a teenager. Now, step 2 is figuring out what you're actually going to sell. You have 2 options here. Option 1 is creating your own digital product or service. If you already have a skill, maybe you're good at making TikToks or you know how to code, or you've gotten yourself in great shape, you can package that knowledge into a premium offer. When I say package your knowledge, I mean organize what you know in a structured format that someone would pay for. This could be a coaching program where you meet with clients one-on-one over Zoom. It could be a course with videos, assignments, and resources. It could be a done-for-you service where you handle everything for them. If you don't have a skill set, learn one fast. And yes, with AI tools these days, you can get surprisingly good at stuff quickly. Tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and other AI platforms can help you learn and create content faster than ever before. Let me give you some specific ideas. Are you fit and healthy? Create a workout and nutrition program for other teens. Are you killing it on a particular social platform? Teach others how to grow their accounts. Option 2 is reselling someone else's digital product. This is high-ticket affiliate marketing. You can sell other people's coaching programs or courses and earn big commissions. We're talking 50% or more of sales that can be worth thousands. Places like ClickFunnels, Kajabi, Skoll, or private mentorship programs often have these high-ticket affiliate programs. You promote their courses or coaching programs, and when someone buys through your link, you get paid. The main advantage of affiliate marketing is that you don't need to create a product. You sell a product that already exists. You just need to connect the right people to the right solutions and collect your commission. Here's the thing though, both of these options only work if you can find customers. And this is where 99% of teens mess everything up. Forget spending a month building a complex website. Forget about super long funnels. Forget about paid ads. Focus on social media. That's where everyone's attention is nowadays. The fastest way to get clients is this. First, pick one platform. Just one. Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, or YouTube Shorts. But do not be everywhere. Master one platform before expanding to others. And here's why you should just pick one. Focus. When you're everywhere, you're nowhere. It's better to post consistently great content on one platform than mediocre content on 5 platforms. Next, post content that attracts your ideal customers. If you're selling fitness coaching, post transformation tips. If you're selling social media growth, post growth hacks. If you're promoting a course on e-commerce, share results and strategies. Your content should do 2 things. Demonstrate your expertise and provide real value. Show people you know what you're talking about and give them a taste of what you offer. Give them wins before they ever pay you a dime. Then, and this is crucial, engage in DMs. Don't just wait for people to come to you. Reach out to potential customers and offer value first. Build relationships. So let me walk you through exactly how to do this. Find people who fit your ideal customer profile. Comment thoughtfully on their posts. Send them a DM that offers help with no strings attached. Something like, "Hey, I saw your post about wanting to grow your account. I've got a quick tip that might help you with your specific situation. Do you want me to share it?" Then actually give them something to help them, something valuable. Build that relationship. And when the time is right, make them an offer. And have super simple call to action in your posts. Something like DM me fit if you want to lose 10 pounds fast. Make it easy for people to take the next step. That's it. That's the entire customer acquisition strategy. Post content, slide into DMs, make offers. But here's the part no one tells you. The mindset part. This is why most teens fail, even when they know what to do. First, the get-rich-quick mindset will absolutely ruin you. Yes, making money online can happen fast if you stay consistent and you work on the right thing. But I can tell you from experience, most people quit way too soon. They try for 2 weeks, don't see results, and they give up. The teens who succeed aren't necessarily smarter. They just stick with it longer. They understand that success isn't linear. You might get 0 results for weeks, then suddenly land 3 clients in 1 day. That's how it works. It's like planting seeds. You plant 100 seeds, water them every day, and for weeks, nothing happens. Then suddenly, they all start sprouting at once. If you stop watering them too early because you don't see results, nothing will ever grow. Now, you don't need to be some guru-level expert. You just need to be 1 step ahead of the people you're helping. This is a huge mental block for so many teens. They think, who am I to teach anyone? I'm just a kid. But here's the truth. You don't need to be the world's greatest expert. You just need to know more than the person you're helping. Even if you're a beginner, you can teach people who know less than you. And frankly, sometimes being a teen is your advantage. People love learning from young, successful people. There's also something authentic about learning from somebody who's just a few steps ahead of you. Many people would rather learn from someone who recently figured it out than from some distant guru who can't remember what it's like to be a beginner. Now, third, and that's a big one, rejection and fear will hold you back if you let them. Selling a high ticket means dealing with people saying no a lot, and this is normal. The top salespeople get rejected all the time, but they know it's just part of the process. Confidence isn't about never feeling scared. It's about taking action even when you're unsure. Here's a mindset shift that helped me. Instead of thinking of it as a rejection, think of it as resorting. When somebody says no to your offer, you're not being rejected. You're sorting through people to find the right fit for your offer. Not everyone is your ideal client, and that's okay. When someone says no, they're doing you a favor. They're saving you time and energy that you can now redirect towards someone who actually wants and needs what you have to offer. Finally, success comes to those who stay in the game. I'm dead serious when I say 99% of people quit after a few weeks. I'm not joking. If you stay consistent for 6 months, you will outwork almost everyone and win by default. It's actually that simple. Let me tell you a quick story. When I started my high-ticket business, I was terrified. Who would pay me that much money? I was just a teenager, but I knew the skill I was teaching was valuable, and I knew people needed help with it. My first year, I made $0. My second year, I made slightly over $1,000, and the year after that, I cracked the code and started to earn thousands per month consistently. And then, I made more than my parents' salary in a day, and I wasn't super special for achieving that. I didn't have any connections, special talents, and I've never been particularly lucky. All I had was my consistency and willingness to keep putting myself out there despite the rejection. I posted every single day for 6 months straight. I reached out to at least 10 new people every day. I offered value without expecting anything in return. I studied what was working and what wasn't, and I adjusted my approach. And here's the crazy part. Success didn't come from some magical strategy or secret hack. It came from just showing up every day and doing the hard work when everyone else had quit. Now, unfortunately, we're not allowed to share everything on YouTube, which is why I've recorded a free video to show you how I made over $1,000 a day in profit from my laptop. And right now, we're also offering a few free consultation calls with me or my team to help you come up with a game plan to reach financial freedom in 90 days or less using the PTP method. Now, I highly suggest you click the link in the description below when you're done watching this video. But be quick, because spots fill up extremely fast and soon we'll be forced to take the video down. Look, I get it. It's scary to ask your customers for money, to charge for your services. It's uncomfortable to sell. It's frustrating when people say no to your offer even though you know it's really good. But that is the price of admission to this game. And once you get past that mental barrier, everything changes. Let me give you some practical advice on pricing. Many teens severely undercharge for their services because they're afraid no one will pay them more. Don't fall for this trap. If you're offering something valuable, charge what it's worth. Start higher than what you're comfortable with. You can always lower your price if needed. And remember, higher prices often attract better clients. Someone who pays you $2,000 for a coaching program will be more committed than someone who pays $200. They will actually do the work, get results, and then tell others about you. Now let's talk about scaling. Once you've got your first few clients or sales, how do you grow from there? The fastest way is through word of mouth. Over-deliver for your first clients. Give them results that blow their minds. Then ask for referrals. Satisfied customers telling their friends about you is the most powerful marketing there is. You can also create case studies from your successful clients. Share their results with their permission, of course, on social media. Nothing sells your offer better than proof that it works. As you grow, you might want to automate parts of your business. Tools like Zapier, Calendly, and various CRM systems can help you manage clients and sales without drowning in administrative work. But don't overcomplicate things too early. In the beginning, simple is better. Focus on getting clients and delivering results. The systems can come later. So let me recap this whole thing. The fastest way to make money online as a teen in 2025 is selling high-ticket digital products or services. Period. You can pick your own offer based on the skill that you have or find an existing high-ticket affiliate program to promote. Use social media to attract customers and to sell them. And remember, that mindset is everything. Stay consistent, don't expect overnight results, and do not quit. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. It's a legitimate business model that works only if you put in the effort. And unlike most teen jobs that pay minimum wage, this has unlimited upside. The world has changed. In 2025, age matters less than ever. What matters is the value you provide to your customers. If you can provide value, people will pay you for it. Period. And just to be clear, this isn't some theoretical concept. I've done it. Thousands of other teens have done it too. And you can do it too. So what are you waiting for? The longer you wait, the more money you're leaving on the table. Start today, stay consistent, and in 6 months, you will thank yourself.